Hi friends, I am Abhiram Swarup. Today I am going to discuss about useful bits of maths from 5th class to 10th class. Now let's enter into the video. First problem is the difference between place value and face value of 8 in 35,829 is. Now the place value of 8 is ones, tens, hundreds. So 8 into 100 is 800 minus the face value is face value is nothing but the value of the number itself. So 800 minus 8. Here 800 minus 8 is 792. So the answer is 792. Now the next question is greatest 4-digit number is. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. And next question is smallest composite number is. Here composite number is nothing but which have more than 2 factors is called composite number. So the smallest composite number is 4 and also smallest prime number is 2. And next is what is even prime number? There is only an even prime number, that is 2. And we already told that it is the smallest prime number. And next question is least number formed by using the digits 2, 1, 4, 5 is. To form the least number by using these digits, first we have to write the least number among this all, and next is the second least number, that is 2, and next is another number 4, and last is the highest number 5. So the answer is 1245. And next question is sum of all prime numbers between 1 and 10. First prime number is 2 plus, and next one is 3 plus, and next one is 5 plus 7. Here 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. So sum of all prime numbers between 1 and 10 is 17. And next is the predecessor of 8000 is. Here predecessor is nothing but the before number of the given number. So the before number of 8000 is 7999. Here the next question is the number of factors of 36 are. Here factor is nothing but a number is exactly divided by the another number without leaving any remainder. Then the second number is said to be the factor of first number. Now the factors of 36 are, here 1 into 36 is equals to 36, and 2 into 18 is equals to 36, and 3 into 12 is equals to 36, 4 into 9 is equals to 36, and 6 into 6 is equals to 36. Here the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 factors for 36. Next question is HCF of 24 and 30 is. Now let's do the LCM of 24 and 30. We have to divide 30 with 24. Here 24 ones are 24. 6 will be the remainder and 24 will be divided by 6. So 6 4s are 24. Here HCF is 6. So the HCF of 24 and 30 is 6. And the next question is LCM of 18, 24, 60 is. Now let's find the LCM of 18, 24 and 60. Here this 3 will be divisible by 2. So 9, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So 2 12s are 24 and 2 3 are 6 and 0 as it is. These 3 will be divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 10s are 30. And this here 4 and 10 will be divided by 2. So 3, 2, 5. We know that 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 5 is 10. So 2 3s are, here we have to write 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 is equals to 2 3 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 12 3 are 36, 36 2s are 72 and 72 5s are 360. So the LCM is 360. And next question is, the product of two numbers is 216 and their HCF is 3, then their LCM is. Here we have a formula, that is product of two numbers is equals to LCM into HCF. So here product of two numbers is 216 is equals to LCM into, here HCF is 3. So 216, here it is into, when we shift this left side, then it will become by. So 216 by 3 is equals to LCM. So LCM is equals to 216 by 3, that is 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21 and 3 2s are 6. So LCM is equals to 72. And the next question is, reciprocal of 4 by 5 is. We already discussed that reciprocal is nothing but just the reverse of the fraction. So the reverse of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. So the reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. And next question is 9 by 5 into 3 by 4. Here multiplication, when we do multiplication, we have to find the product of numerators by product of denominators. So 9 into 3 is 27 and 5 into 4 is 20. Here the next question is, 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 7 is. Now 3 by 4 will be as it is and this divided by will become into, and we have to write the reciprocal of 5 by 7, that is 7 by 5. Here 3 into 7 is 21 by 4 into 5 is 20. So it is 21 by 20. And next question is, 4 by 5 of 200 is. Here 4 by 5 of 200, of is nothing but into. So 4 by 5 into 200. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20 and 0. So 4 into 40 equals to 160. And next question is, which fraction is the greatest fraction? 1 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. Here denominators are equal, then the numerator which is bigger among the all will be the greatest fraction. So 5 is the biggest numerator here. So 5 by 6 is the greatest fraction. And next question is, 1 of 2 by 3 into 1 of 3 by 5. Here we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 into 1, here 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 by 3 into, here 5 ones are 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 by 5 is equals to, here we can cancel 5 and 5 and it is 8 by 3. And next question is, 45 into 36 by 9 is equals to. Here we can directly cancel as 9 ones are 9, 9 5s are 45. 5 into 36 is 180. And next question is, 0.231 minus 0.02. Here we can keep a 0. Here 1 minus 0 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1 and 2 minus 0 is 2.0 as it is. So the answer is 0.211. And next question is 20% of 500. Here percentage is nothing but by 100. So 20 by 100, and we already discussed that half is nothing but into 500. Here zeros will be get cancelled. So 20 into 5 is equals to 100. So 20% of 500 is 100. In this video, we have discussed about useful bits of maths from 5th class to 10th class, and thanks for watching this video.